Hello and welcome along to the latest instalment of my YouTube camper conversion channel. And this video is going to be carpeting all of the ply panels for my little Daihatsu Hijet that I'm converting from a panel van into a camper van. I've bought a 5 meter length of stretch carpet. I'm going to be using the Trim Fix adhesive as well. I'll put links in the description of this video for all of the items that I'm actually going to be using, so if you are going to be doing a similar sort of job, do have a look just below in the description of this video, and there'll be links for everything that I use, including the trim fix, the carpet, everything else like that as well. So I've got all the panels out. Some of them are factory panels, some of them I've had to make myself. I've already fully completely done the sliding door, as you can see there. There's a full video already on my channel of showing how I've done that. That includes carpeting the metalwork around the sliding door and the panels, and then fitting the panel around my window. So have a look at my channel to see how I've done the sliding door. And I say this video is just going to be solely about carpeting up all of the ply panels, getting those fitted. So I'll start unrolling my carpet out, take some measurements. I've got some really sharp scissors. You do need sharp scissors when you're cutting the stretch carpet. Normal scissors just don't cut it at all. So I'll start measuring some stuff out, get some bits cut out for the panels, and get gluing. Right, so I'm just about to carpet up the other remaining panels. I've already done 2 over there. Because I'm trying to retain as much length on the carpet as possible just to do the inside of the actual van, it's always just a good idea just to line up the panels on the carpet just to make sure that there's going to be plenty of overlap, and you can try and squeeze as tightly as possible into a strip just to try and preserve as much carpet as possible as well. So now these are all lined up, I've found out exactly how much carpet I'm going to need, and I should have plenty left for all the metalwork as well. So I'll get all of these cut round and get these all sprayed on as well. Right, so there we go, that is all of the ply panels fully carpeted now. Didn't take long at all, you're talking maybe an hour at most, and that's to do all of the actual ply panels. So those themselves are now all ready to go back into the van. First of all, I've just now got to carpet all the metalwork first as well. So I'm going to carpet the metalwork first before putting the ply in, just so then when the ply panels go back in, they'll be going on top of carpet, just so it looks all nice and neat and flush. So now they're all done. As I say, I've got plenty of carpet left down there, so I'm just going to start doing some measurements for the strips. I'm going to do full length strips going all the way down the full sides. Then I'm going to do different strips going along the actual main pillars, and I'll just join them in where they do actually join. Hopefully there shouldn't be any actual visible joins. I'll try my best, but as I say, we'll see how we get on. It'll all get filmed, so I'll crack on and do the interior. Right, so that's all of the carpeting of the interior now complete. All the panels are on. I've also done all the metalwork as well, so there'll be a video on my channel showing how I've done all of the metalwork, also all of the new headlining as well. There'll be a video on my channel for that. But panel wise, I'm really happy with how all the panels have turned out. They all look nice and neat and flush, even the ones I've had to make myself as well. All of the panels around the sliding door window, that's looking nice and neat as well. So yeah, it's all looking quite a hell of a lot better than what it was, put it that way. It's I'd say it looks quite professional, but I'm not a professional, so I'll leave that up to you to decide really. But as I say, I'm really happy, really pleased with how all of the panel work has turned out on these. And carpeting the panels, it doesn't take long at all. You're talking about an hour, if that, just to carpet all of them, and then it's just a case of getting them back in place. As you can see, I made these top two and all of the panels for the top for these sliding doors as well, and as I said, they just look nice neat finish. Certainly improves the look of the interior a hell of a lot more compared to what it was. And I say it's that is now job done. Hope you found this video useful on how I've carpeted all of the ply panels. Have a look on my channel. As I say, there'll be other videos on there as well of how I've carpeted the metalwork, how I've carpeted the sliding door, all of the new headlining that I've made as well. It's all getting documented on my channel, so give this video a good old thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already to follow along with the rest of this conversion, and have a look on my channel for all the other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.